It's what you call in philosophical terms a Descartesian philosophy. Separate land from people, separates property from humanity. We tried under the Resource Management Act, Section 35, to get us to have the authority over our waters, starting with the Kaituna, but actually extending into the Rotorua and the Roto Iti area. We had the protesters, Uncle Ngaro Morehu and, oh gosh, I better not, all the ones I defended in the criminal courts, okay, that were stopping the whitewater rafters and doing all sorts of things that they shouldn't have been doing. They were occupying both ends of the Kaituna River. I see one here. Paora Maxwell, Tamaiti, all got arrested because what we were trying to do was to avoid that separation. It's what you call in philosophical terms a Descartesian philosophy. Separate land from people, separates property from humanity.